So just before I pack these away, there's a waxed and buffed sheath now. So interesting. Got the nice texture there for if you wanted to undo the dangler loop. Really love the way that came out in a sort of tiger grey. So that one's ready to go to be packed away. Get the next one. No, double stitched, really stout welt. I do I like to think a nice elegant way of sculpting the ferro rod loop rather than it's just stuck out at an angle. It carries on the radius. It fits in quite nicely. You could have the ferro rod that way or that way as it clicks on there like that. This is an English U. With the fillet down the centre. Beautiful. So put that way if you want. This is a puko. Quite a creamy, milky bit of U, this one. With a red liner. Put that one to bed. So lovely red colour, that one. And the big one, very similar in layout to the one that Mike has got on TA Outdoors. So a covered sheath just protects things from dropping inside the sheath, sheds the weather a bit better. And this one's got just a little bit of a sort of drop in front there. That's the wax on the blade. And this is in olive. It'll come all the way from Greece. So, amazing. It's got a sort of desert ironwood-ish sort of feel in the when you grind it. It's got sort of oils in it. Olive, yeah. So beautiful to work with. 4 pins. Black liner. I went with black because the lines, the grain, had quite a dark look to it, so I thought black would be more fitting. Just such a great colour, Leuku, or my Leuku anyway. But it got just a little bit of weight forward, and a little bit less weight than what a bog standard Leuku is. Quite a consistent depth all the way along. This one's got a little bit more weight up there just to allow a little bit more. That one. Nice. And this one's got the full-on dangler as well, and with the olive got ever such a sort of earthy greeny feel. I went with a emeraldy green stitching, and then my sculpted, sort of shaped just as it curves round. Spartan helmet, and it's timed so that as it curves round, the perspective of the helmet goes round as well, with all the little hairs on the plume. And a lovely ferro rod. Some great grain on that one. So they're packed away this afternoon. All three went in about an hour, so they're on the way north of the border. Wild country that is, so they should be getting some work, I imagine. Thanks to Alistair for buying them again. Like, super support. For Wessex leather goodness. So thanks for joining me again, and I've got there they are. So that's an order, and then the link for the blank. These two also heat treat. Thanks, Mr. Self. AEBL 6061 HRC. These are available. Looking to get those spoken for, as it were, as soon as possible. And yes, Andy is on its way as soon as I get these packs. Thanks again. Busy as busy it can be. Yeah, great fun. Good old world, innit? It's got Wessex Blades 8.